What it do, beautiful babes? Your girl Sweet Angel right here on Sugar Fingers. Today we're going to be applying some new nails by imPRESS. These are the no glue press on nails, the imPRESS Couture collection, and these are called Lush Life. Absolutely, you can find the link right down in the description box to impressmanicure.com. These again are the Lush Life, and they're, kind of shorties. I like that. These are a natural look and a natural feel. They come with the super hold adhesive. This is my very first time in trying them out. I will let you know on an update how long they actually lasted. So I said no glue needed. Safe on your natural nails, and they're supposed to be easy to remove. I've really been getting into the press on nails because they're chip proof, smudge proof, and there's no drying time, so I can do my nails in a short period of time. These actually include 30 nails, a prep pad, a file, and a wood stick. So great. See what I mean? You got everything you need right here. And honey, I'm ready to get started. So I started out with my cuticle remover. I put that all over to soften my cuticles so I can have them nice and cleaned off for the application of my new nails. These are so cute. This is holiday season. Girl, I want to be looking so cute. Now, I kind of love longer nails, but I really want to try these since I had so much to do. So let me show you what I'm going to start off with. Starting off with that wood stick, now that my cuticle remover has worked. Just clearing all of that off because I just took off one set. If you have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. It's in the iCards, honey, and probably at the end of this video as well. We're really doing it here on Sugar Fingers, so make sure you subscribe if you're new right here. I am just a girl that loves to DIY these nails. So my next step to this whole process, since it comes with an alcohol pad, I'm just going to clean off my nails. You start off with cleansed hands, wash them down really good with soap and water, and then simply go ahead and clean off your nails. This is going to help dry the nails off. Heck, I went in with another alcohol pad as well. I wanted to make sure they were really going to stick. I wanted my nails totally dehydrated. So that's what I'm up to right now. And then it is now time to do what? We're gonna lay out these nails and see what we have here. Again, it comes with 30 nails and 12 accent nails, an alcohol pad. You get your cuticle pusher. You get also a little bitty file and the instructions. So I'm just selecting the correct size for my nails right now. It's a ton of them to go through, so this is going to take a minute. So if you don't mind, I'm probably going to just disappear for 2 seconds and come back with them already selected. There you go. There they go. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can't tell me nothing. These are going to be blinged out. Lush Life for sure. We'll just push that aside and get ready to start applying it. So I've already taken care of the cleansing of my hands and also prepping my nails. Now I'm just ready to put these on my fingers. And that's going to be easy because guess what? You have a little tab. You just pull that tab back, and honey, you just stick it on your nails. Peel off, press on. You can do that. Peel off, press on. Now, I do kind of flatten my nails out before I apply them because my nail bed is kind of flat. So if it's got any kind of a shape or rounded off or kind of contoured in any way, it won't hold to my nails. So I mash it down just a little bit before applying it. I just mash it down on a flat surface, and then boom, bam, bang, put the nail on. See, who can't do that? I did that. I like to kind of just mash it in the middle, mash it on the sides as well. Make sure I get all the little air pockets out so that it'll be fitting, secure, and safely on the nail. So I'm just going left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. So the next one, I'm going to do my pinky on this one as well. And then we're going to speed this process up in just a little bit. But I wanted to show you the nail that's going to go on my ring finger. That's when the bling starts, right? The pinky doesn't have anything on it, okay? Listen, if you made it to this point in the video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? What you waiting on? It's free. And guess what? Your girl got a giveaway, so you better stay tuned for that. Because if not, you're going to miss out. Because I got some imPRESS nails to give away as well. Thanks so much to imPRESS Nails, Kiss USA, they're all one and the same, for sending me some nails to give away to my beautiful babes. Now, you see what I mean? The blinged out ring fingernail. Girl, if I could just stay in frame, you could see what I'm talking about. But because your girl concentrate trying to make sure this nail is on straight, kind of messed up a little bit, but you know, you understand, right? It's all good. It's all good. We're going to make this happen. Yes, I got it on there. I don't know why I keep mashing, because this adhesive is almighty good. You know, it's not going to fail. You're going to stick it on there, it's going to be stuck. Once you put it on there, it's stuck. I mean, I tried to kind of move it around a little bit, but that don't work. So if you know what you're doing, you're going to make sure you got it on right. Now look at this middle finger one, honey. I got some serious bling on that one, eh? Absolutely I do. So, speeding it up. I'm fast forwarding this. You know what to do now, right? See how simple this is? Honey, you can get this done in 3.5 seconds. Just move it along. Bam, you're done. Well, maybe not that fast, but you know, it's pretty simple to do. Loving these. I'm loving these. I am right now feeling these press-on nails and glue-on nails. These are super nice. And again, if you like them, let me know, because guess what? Your girl has a giveaway, and I am almost to the end. Already done a manicure right before your eyes. It doesn't get any better than that, right? It doesn't get any better than that. So, putting on the last thumb here, just pressing it in. I go to my cuticle, and I start there, and I roll it in to the top so that I can try to not have any air pockets under there so that water won't seep under there. But that is it. It's that simple, beautiful babes. You feel me? Okay, check out these nails. My links are below. I am a Kiss USA imPRESS Joa Beauty affiliate. In case you did not know, yes, I am. So make sure y'all check me out down below in the description box. My links are all right there. Click, there we are. Absolutely. So what I'm doing right now, there is a little bit of an edge. Maybe that's how they are manufactured. I don't know. But I wanted to kind of smooth that out to make it look crisp and clean, just like I just came from an amazing nail salon. I'm finished with that. And of course, when you're at the nail salon, what do? Put your little cuticle oil on, honey. I'm using my blackberry seed oil. Oh, excuse me. Is that raspberry seed oil? One or the other. That's what I'm using right now, okay? And then I also use some Avon Moisture Therapy Lotion. This really makes the hands look nice and soft and wrinkle-free. That's my favorite lotion. Yes, it is. And honey, your girl got these nails on. She's ready to go ahead and hit the town. And there you go. It's just like that. It's just like that. My manicure is done right before your eyes, and they look fresh, they look cute, they look dainty, they look lush. Exactly the name, Lush Life. Beautiful babes. How about that? And if you didn't know, the link is below. Check it out. And honey, you too can have your manicure done for the holidays just like that. Again, I'm going to test these out to see how long they actually last. I didn't put anything else on the nails to let them adhere except for the press-on adhesive that's with the nails. And honey, stay tuned right here. Don't go away. check this out. Drum roll, please. And then I just wanted to share with y'all something special that you know what's happening right now. Right now, it is holiday time. It is giveaway time. And I have 3 gifts for 3 different people. And in this video, I hope you're here for it. I just simply need for you to, down below, I want you to type impress me, impress me, and leave your email address. And I'll be making a selection of a winner for one of these imPRESS press-on nails. That's right. It's going to be 3 winners. So I was going to give it to one individual person, but I just want to share the love. It's that time of the year that everybody deserves a little bit of something. So I'm going to do that. 3 different winners. All you have to do is type impress me, just like it is on the screen, and your email address, and I'll hit you up and let you know if you've won. Simple as that. It doesn't get any easier than that. I wanted to wait until I got to 1,000, but hey, who knows? It still may happen like that. I really do plan on making the selection before December 15th because I want these to be in their hand by Christmas. So go ahead, put in the comments, impress me, and your email address. And please make sure you reside in the United States. Please, United States only. In the States only. Type in the comments, impress me. There you go, beautiful babes. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, right here on Sugar Fingers. And listen, like, comment, subscribe. And please keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye now.